12,000 subscribers, 12,000. Wow. And you made it happen. And I want to thank all my subscribers and non-subscribers that also supported my channel with your views and your comments. This took me a lot longer than I wanted to, but we got here. And I hope to continue to grow with your support. For those of you that have been with me from the beginning, do you remember when YouTube had all of us small channels scrambling when they set the new standards to get monetized and not to lose your monetization? Well, that was then, and this is now, and things are still changing all the time. I'm not sure why, but these last 2 months, I lost more subscribers than I did since I started in the beginning. With that said, I want to encourage all of you, those that are just starting, or those like me that have been struggling for a while, to keep uploading. Try new things and enjoy the ride. YouTube certainly doesn't make it easy with all the changes that they make, so do what you enjoy. As for myself, I started this channel out of curiosity as a small engine repair for family, friends, and anyone else that found my videos useful or entertaining. But if you scroll through my channel, you'll see that I have various other videos that I cover a variety of projects that I'm involved in or that I've worked on. Some of the videos include plumbing, septic cleaning, tool reviews, electrical, carpentry, pallet projects, trailer conversions, raising chickens, gardening, my new to me, 1969 John Deere industrial tractor, backhoe, and others. These are just a few. The channel started producing and I decided to go all in, not just to supplement my income, but to be a primary source of income. It really set me back when YouTube cut the commissions by 30% due to advertisers not advertising during COVID. Yeah, great cover story. I almost stopped completely. COVID crisis is over, more commercials than ever, but I still don't see the increase. Well, I'm back at it. So don't get discouraged. I know it's easy to do, especially when you spend hours on the video, editing, making thumbnails, and the actual video itself, only to get a few views. If you enjoy it, keep going. But make sure you leave time for yourself not to get YouTube fatigue and burnout. As for myself, I try as much as possible to watch other creators' videos, leave a like, and comment. But there's only so many hours in a day. So if it has been a while since I visited your channel, let me know. I'll get there as soon as possible. The YouTube community has a lot of good people in it, and together we can help each other to grow. Well, thanks again, and until next time, stay safe.